So I'm just going to show you now how to fit a new bathroom pull cord light switch. First of all, go isolate the circuit. I've just pulled out a 5 amp fuse down in the basement, one of them old Wilex boards, the old rewirable fuse, yeah? So I've isolated that. I'm just going to drop the cover down on the switch carefully, and I'm going to test for dead now. You see there's 2 red wires coming in here. These both we need testing for dead. One's your live coming in, one is your switch wire. We don't know which is which because they haven't ID'd the switch wire. So that's proven dead now. I'm just going to disconnect the old switch. So that's the L1 terminal there I'm disconnecting. And the other one's a common terminal. So that's this old switch disconnected. The earth wire is now disconnected. I'm just going to drop the old switch box off the ceiling. I'm just going to fit now the new switch box. See there, you've got 2 knockouts. I've just knocked one of them out for the wire to come through. If you haven't got any knockouts on, they just knock out with back at screwdriver. If you haven't got any of them, you might have to probably drill like a 16mm hole or something. Using the hole saw. So I'm just going to fit the box to the ceiling now carefully. And make sure that the cable isn't crushed underneath. Make sure it's aligned with the hole in the ceiling so your box fits nice and flush to the ceiling. So there are the 3 wires. Earth's connected already. I'm going to connect now to the common terminal and the L1 terminal. Don't matter which way around in this case. It's just a one-way switch for a pull cord. Just make sure your connections are decent. And that's it. Once you've put your wires in, just push them back and then the switch can screw onto the box. So it's pretty simple, it's just a one-way pull cord switch. Just make sure you've isolated the circuit, make sure you've tested for dead, that's most important. And then wire it in. Any questions, drop a comment, I'll try answer them. And thank you for watching.